In this video, I'll detail how to use Siri without internet connection. So, as you can see, I have my internet connection enabled. Now, if I say, "Hey Siri," you see that? Then, if I go ahead, turn on AirPlay mode. So, no more internet connection, no internet access. "Hey Siri," what's today's date?
It's Saturday, August 24th, 2024.
Turn on flashlight.
It's on now.
Turn off flashlight.
It's off now.
Thank you. Then you see, I'm using Siri without the internet connection. So here, basically, I'm going to show you how to use Siri without internet connection. So it doesn't matter whether your iPhone is on AirPlay mode or not, or where you are, there is no internet connection, or you do not turn on your internet access. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to use Siri without internet connection, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on Siri. If you are using iOS 18 or iOS 17 or earlier, click on Siri and search. Then once you selected that, come down to talk to Siri and make sure you select either Hey Siri or Hey Siri. So you need to turn on one of this feature. Then come here and turn on press side button for Siri. Then once that is done, you need to come down to where you see Siri responses and then choose prefer spoken responses, or when you say Hey Siri, Siri is going to respond to your request. Then after that, you want to stay on this page for like 10 to 20 minutes. After that, you want to come back to talk to Siri and turn on your internet access at this point. Then stay on the Siri page for like 10 to 20 minutes. So you just need to stay on this page for like 10 to 20 minutes for Siri to download the access to let you use Siri without the internet. And after that, you can just continue to use the Siri function on your iPhone over a couple of times. This could be this. Then when next you want to use Siri, you may be prompted to turn on internet connection for a while. But after a couple of days, when you swap down the control center and there's no internet access, or you want to use Siri without internet, you'll be able to command Siri by saying, "Hey Siri, open settings." You see that? "Siri, open WhatsApp." I'm doing this on AirPlay mode. See that? You can see turn off AirPlay mode or use file to access data. So that is basically how to use Siri without internet connection. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.